Company types of organizations. Types of companies. Sukija Accounts Teachings by Ramesh Kumar. Now we are starting with company types of organizations. Although there are number of types of companies like charter company, government companies, but here we restrict our studies only to public limited company and private limited company. Now first we are taking public limited company. A limited company is one which is owned and controlled by general public. It has to use after its name limited, which means that nothing is recoverable from the shareholders' personal assets or dissolution of the company. That is, shareholders' liability is limited to their investments made in the company. Every company has a limited liability, whereas sole trader and partners have unlimited liability. That on the dissolution of their business, recovery can be made from their personal assets. But in case of company, nothing can be recovered from the personal assets of the shareholders. Whatever the assets of the company are, they are only liable for the liabilities of the company. Then the other one is private limited company. A private limited company is one which is owned and run by known persons only. That is, known person, they may be family friends, they may be members of a family, or they have some blood relations and they have organized together to form a company. It has to use after its name private limited. How you can distinguish from private limited from public limited? In public limited, after its name only limited. But in case of private limited, the word private limited is compulsory. In this type of company also liability is limited. That nothing can be recoverable from the personal assets of the shareholders on dissolution of the firm. Here also an outsider cannot recover anything from the personal assets of the shareholders. Here also liability is limited. LTD means limited. Liability limited. So whether it is public limited company, whether it is private limited company, in case of company form of organization, liability is always limited. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe it. Thank you very much.